They do stuff like the two of them, the two of us, the three of them, which a lot of you guys already know. It's about occupations, asking people how long have you worked, how long have you experienced, ... such and such, whatever you want to say at the end, which we'll get into that. But let's start with vocabulary review on page 130. Actually, I have a book that goes that.
So don't go by that, do they?
Well, we'll go through because they've got stuff on there that is not in the book, but I think you guys are supposed to know. Most people already know them anyway. But we'll do the months and stuff like that just to review. Did you learn the months yet, Sheena? Do you remember?
I sure did.
I just need a refresher.
I don't remember the months. Did you learn the months?
Oh, not months, like year and month. I don't think I taught June, April, and all that. I think I did it quickly, but we'll go over it in detail. I think we did it real fast at the end. We'll do that. Okay, workplaces. Government. Kind of a tricky name. Government. Make an X, flip it, go here.
Also do the X and the
How's your hand to start?
Kind of just starts vaguely out like this.
Okay.
Just kind of pick it up.
Your palms after you start.
Oh yeah, palm orientation facing behind you.
When you land. So
When you land.
start, you're going to have
Well, it just,
Read
you'll
the
be
book.
signing at the time, so you don't, no one really has a place where it's supposed to start, because you'll
No
pick up
idea.
names and it's just kind of, if it started here, or if it started,
But you want the front of your hand back.
yeah, when you
But it
finish,
starts
yeah.
out here.
Then government makes you shoot from the head, I think, I don't know if that's what
Where
it's
they
from.
control what you know.
Control your mind, but it's, yeah, it's kind of a weird motion.
Curl the X, then do the forehead.
Curl the X, and then touch your temple with your index
Curl
finger.
the X and the forehead.
And then you have gas station, or gas. Gas. What does this look like?
Picking up the gas.
Picking up the gas pump, pouring it in. There's a gas pump. Oh, this kind of symbolizes the nozzle. Pouring it in. You tank.
Fist.
Gas station. What would gas station be? Gas store? Gas station? Give me another one for symbolizing something, like put a place there, like a house or something. You would think of a classifier. Do you remember that? One more. That. Gas station. Remember how we were talking about like here,
Inanimate
here, yeah. Gas station. But usually in ASL, if you just do this, it's gas station.
gas station.
Yeah. You want it? You need gas? Kind of implies, like in English, do you need gas? Kind of implies, let's go to the gas station and get gas. Okay, so if you put on the test gas station or gas, same thing. It'll be fine. Okay, prison or jail.
So the fingers come out.
Just classifier, four finger.
Classifier, 4 fingers.
B.
Put your fingers in.
B.
She has them kind of down here, but I've seen it here and I've seen it kind of further down. Doesn't really matter. Just know it's jail. You kind of place your non-dominant hand here and just kind of go jail. Locked up.
Oh,
Jail.
so you put your
Prison.
dominant one behind.
Yeah. Dominant hand goes behind it. Someone doing the moving. Okay, General Motors, that little picture. This means like a factory, a car factory, machine factory. Just machine. Machine kind of goes like this. 1, 2. 1, 2. Factory kind of goes more.
Same
it's
gig.
really context.
Same gig.
Factory. If you want to be specific, you go factory. Or there's really no other word for factory. Okay. If you want to be specific, it's always just named factory.
Now, I'm curious about, we have a sign for prison, but we learned, like, this is also...
Lock?
Or is that arrest? No, this is lock, right?
Right. Arrest.
Oh,
Arrest.
okay.
Make sure. Watch my hand hurt. This
It's not work.
is not work.
I got you.
There's something
Yeah.
that's
Not if
I'm
you're
good
happy
with
with
that.
who you're with,
I was gonna
anyway.
say,
I'm
sometimes
good
it
with
can
that.
be work.
I'm good with that.
Flip it over. Lock.
Nah. Oh,
Yeah. There
The
you go.
non-dominant hand, which is that one. Good. Good. Exactly like that. And then work.
yeah.
And then slave or arrest.
I got you.
Arrest. Usually slave kind of goes like this. And then arrest. You never want to flip ever want to flip this over normally. Well, the vocab you've learned so far, unless you want to go medical, doctor, nurse.
There's a little bit of that going on Saturday night
Or
in our
if you're drinking
conversation.
if you're drinking and people are getting a little loose kind of thing. To work.
Yes.
All right, school.
You skipped farm.
Oh, sorry, farm. It's one of my favorite signs too. Farm. Make kind of this hand right here. He has this blade open. You see it like this or that.
So which are you gonna do?
I'll do what he does. Farm.
Okay.
From the right to the left with your thumb. Farm.
Right to left.
So wait, do I do right to left or do left to right?
I've got to figure that out for
It's
you.
like senior citizen, like,
Whatever feels
Twins.
natural, because it probably feels weird. I would say go left to right, because it's gonna feel weird to
there's
go.
twins.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? So
Yeah.
whatever you're comfortable with.
Okay, so,
Yeah.
but,
Yeah,
So
if
it
that
could be a
feels
fan hand or more of a curved hand, right?
I would say CL5, classifier 5. 5 hand, thumb touching the right chin, then the left chin.
So basically,
See
all
how
places
far.
that have food associated with them in some way are like a restaurant,
Exactly.
cafeteria.
Cafeteria, restaurant, farm. I used to know why this is farm. I don't remember.
Doesn't make
Shut up.
sense.
Food.
Breakfast, lunch, dinner.
It's also senior citizen, but
so is this CL3?
CL3. Yes.
Okay, now I'm putting
This way or
together.
this way.
I got you. Now, I never
See,
put
that's why
that,
it's good to learn the CL, so you don't have to think in your head. 5 hand, you just go CL3 and you know what it means when you write down how you're supposed to do it.
I got you. I never correlated the CL with the
CL3,
finger
this is
number.
CL1. But some of you get confused because, like, you know, you had, well, that's not really a classifier. Once you get into, especially the 5, because you have this 5, you have this 5, you have this, you have to be careful because it's kind of CL5, C, and they call it different ways. But the ones
Yeah,
you learn
like
the basic
claw.
ones. The claw one, yeah.
I
But yeah,
got you.
yes, that's CL3, CL1, CL2.
So if it is a claw, it's a CL5, and then they add
I
something
think they just
else.
call it claw.
They call it that.
What the look?
So
I
it's
think they just call it claw.
Not a CL5, it's just a claw
Right.
classifier.
Or CL claw.
CL
Or the
claw.
claw. But yeah, this is always going to be CL5.
Cool.
Okay, school. Remember, paper goes back to you. Paper, like you're flipping it. School. Hospital. I told you about this. Make an H and make the cross on your left shoulder. Be right for you, wouldn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wait,
There you go.
can't do that.
Hospital. Hospital. So just make the cross. Hospital.
With the H.
And you see C for clinic. C for, because, you know, there is a difference, hospital and a clinic. That's not one of the vocab words, but hospital. And then you have emergency. They have one hand. You can do 2 or 1. Talked about this the other day. I think, Cheryl, you asked me.
Yeah.
Emergency, emergency.
E hand.
E hand. Shake hand. It's emergency. Y'all are so tired on Tuesdays. Y'all are. I swear.
So we don't get any rice.
I think it's a weekend and the rest, and it was a Monday yesterday, and you're recuperating from Monday. I'm tired, but I'm ecstatic. I'm done with summer school.
I got 2 more days.
Sweet.
2 more days?
2 more days.
All right. 2 more days. So this exam week for people? For you? For some other people? Oh my. Well, this vocabulary doesn't seem too difficult, guys.
That's what I thought last week.
Well, it's all occupation, and it's pretty clear cut. Like there's no, there's not a lot of pillow, bed soft equals pillow kind of thing. Okay,
So is it just one hand or two? I'm sorry, I was busy writing.
She
the
said
other
either one.
either one. Surgery. Non-dominant hand makes a palm facing you, goes sideways, or some people do it up this way. Surgery, kind of vague. In between surgery, like you hold the knife. Though I would hope they would hold it a little bit better than that during surgery. But surgery. So it comes from cut. This is a sign for cut. Cut here. I was cut here. Cut here. This is a sign for surgery.
So you
Like
put the
say
thumb
A.
across the
I would say
palm.
A with the thumb across the palm.
So why in the book do they show it kind of coming in to out? Is the arrows out?
Doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. Surgery, surgery.